In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on Bybit. If you've just created an account or you're browsing from a new device, setting the site to a language you're comfortable with makes everything clearer and faster. This process is quick, and I'll walk you through it with a few helpful tips so it works the first time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Bybit homepage. You don't need to be logged in to change the language. The option is available right on the public site. For a smoother experience, make sure you're on the legitimate Bybit domain and that your connection is secure. Look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar and avoid visiting through unfamiliar links. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small globe icon. This is the control for the site's language. Depending on your screen size, it might also display as a language code like EN or appear next to a small flag. On narrower screens or smaller laptops, some items can collapse into a menu. If you see a menu icon, open it and then look for the globe. Click the globe icon to open the language selector. After you click it, a drop-down menu will appear listing the languages Bybit currently supports. Scroll through the list and choose your preferred language by clicking on it. When you make your selection, the site will refresh automatically and apply your choice across menus, buttons, and most on-page text. You should immediately see the interface update. If a page looks partially untranslated, that can happen on certain help or promo sections. The core trading and account pages should reflect your new language. If the language doesn't seem to change, try clicking the globe icon again and reselecting your choice. Make sure your browser allows cookies since the site usually saves your preference locally and if you're logged in to your account. If you use multiple browsers or devices, repeat these same steps on each one so the language is consistent everywhere you access Bybit. Also note that language is different from currency or region settings, which might appear nearby in the menu. Be sure you're selecting the language option with the globe, and that's all there is to it. You've navigated to Bybit, click the globe icon at the top right, and pick the language you prefer from the dropdown. With the interface set to your language, exploring features, placing orders, and managing your account becomes much easier. Thanks for watching and enjoy a clearer, more comfortable Bybit experience.